Want to know how to download WordPress on your PC or laptop? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your favorite browser and simply type in the URL WordPress download. Now once you've typed in search, here you should be seeing the first link of wordpress.org which says download. Just simply select it. And this should direct you to the official WordPress site. Now once you're there, just simply scroll down until you see right here, download and install it yourself on the left side. You can also see setup with hosting provider where you can see all the recommendations as well. Now you can just simply select this blue download link in order to directly download it. And after a while, the WordPress should start downloading. You can also see installation guide right here for more guides and how you can install it and use it effectively. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.